Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Alpine White with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Alpine White. This is 2026. I've just pressed unlock on the key. We've got the kidney grille lit up. We've got the DRLs on. So let's press panic for 1 second so we can get the full pathway lighting on. So that looks sweet. Let me do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And once you've had a chance to look at this vehicle from all the different angles, we can certainly take a closer look at all the details. So let's do it. We've got the classic Alpine White, some body lines coming down the hood, 4 body lines, and we've got the rondelle up front in between these 2 sculpted arches in the center here. We've got the blacked out kidney grille that does illuminate, and the kidney grille does have some vertical and diagonal crisscross lines on there which look really cool. And of course the headlights have the stacked L-shaped headlights, which look really nice as well. We do have a front-facing camera here and some active grille shutters down here at the bottom. Some more active shutters down here at the lower grille. We've got the split chin down here in the center. Some functional air going into the air ducts on each side. But overall, front end looks really good. And with the full low beam system on, so these are the BMW LED headlights. And we've got double stack with the full lighting system on there. It looks really good. Now when we come to the side here, with this G45 X3, whether you get the M Sport or not, you still get body colored over fenders on the side here, which look great. And these are the new 20-inch double spoke 1036M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake back there. This wheel has a really cool design, and we've got some Continental tires on there. And we've got the body color rocker panel with M Sport. We have the M welcome light carpet down here as well. Body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera, so this does have the 360 cam view. We've got the glass roof up top with the black roof rails, black window surrounds, and we've got the new integrated flush door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. And back here, there's your rear 1036M wheel, Hofmeister kink, new style antenna, and here we have new spoiler, and here's the new design for the tail lights. So we've got the stacked upside down and right side up L shapes, and BMW is lit up on the side with more crisscrossing patterns, vertical reflectors on each side, and a big diffuser down here with no visible exhaust, but the muffler is definitely down there. And X330 badging on the back, rear wiper arm, BMW rondelle, and down here you've got your camera and your license plate bracket. So since we're back here, we'll kick our foot underneath the middle so we can get this to open with the hands-free way. Once this opens up, cargo cover to hide your contents. You can press the button outwards on each side so you see orange, meaning that this is now loose. So this whole thing can come out, and to put it back in, you just push it towards the front of the vehicle until you don't see orange on each side. You have illuminated space over here, another one on this side with a little net. I'll just put the net up. 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger. There's another grocery bag hanger here, but I'm just going to open this. So if I lift this up, I can actually use that grocery bag hanger to prop this up. We have tire inflator kit plus, carpeted mats. There's a space here for your cargo cover to be stored if you wish. And we've got your wheel lock key and tow hook down here. So that is sweet. If I just push this back up, this can come back down. There's a strap here so I can close that. And up top, button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can definitely kick. Perfect. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side. connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. There's a little spot to put the cap while you're refueling, just like so. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Now I'm just gonna open up this back door over here. And you can see the welcome light carpet. So we've got some ambient lighting here, some ambient lighting underneath the front seats. There's your new door handle, Harman Kardon sound system, window switch. This part is high gloss black now. And we have some pockets here. And all the seat belts are done up, so let me just undo them for a second. And on the shoulder, there's a release lever to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have an armrest in the center with some cup holders. And up here, there's a button. It's kind of dark, but it's right here. So that button is right there to pull down the center pass-through. The headrest can also manually be adjusted up and down. And we have a handle on each side at the top with a coat hanger and a light. On the back of each front seat, we have an accessory port, and we have some pockets on the back of each front seat, some vents, some storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and more vents down here. So let's shut this door. We'll open up the passenger door next. So once we open up the front passenger door, you'll see that we have some ambient light in here. I've got that set to indigo, Harman Kardon, new style door handle, window switch, high gloss black, and some pockets, aluminum M door sill down here, full power seat with lumbar, under the thigh extension, and headrest height and forwards backwards is also manually adjusted. So these are the black Veganza seats, and we've got nice soft touch materials on the dash, some stitching going across, more crisscross patterns, curved display with iDrive 9. There's a button down here you can press that opens the illuminated glove box. And we've got more ambient light, jewel box down there, wireless chargers on the left, a little vent that cools down the phone, 2 USB Type-C charging ports in your cup holders, glass iDrive controller, volume wheel, and your gear selector. And if I press the little button underneath here, I can lift this up. There's a 12-volt plug in there. It's a bit hard to see because it's dark. So let's go to the other side next. All right, so if I approach from the driver's side, open up that door, and welcome light carpet is down here. Again, Harman Kardon, more ambient light, vent controls, unlock, lock, memory, new door handle. And we got high gloss black in here for your window and side mirror controls, tailgate release, press to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside, pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And we have the flat bottom steering wheel down here. I'm at 6 o'clock. Black marker at 12 o'clock, head-up display, and this one does have the active cruise control, and your exterior lighting controls are now found on the signal stock, and this has all the self-parking things. And we have the garage door opener buttons underneath the rear view mirror. We have the interior camera up here, and let's just open up that sunshade. So we've got a massive glass roof this time around on the X3, so lots of light can come in. And now that we've seen that open, down here it's kind of hidden. Hood release is underneath here. So it's two pulls. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. We just have to lift it up. And there it is. The beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 255 horse, 295 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal is here. Negative battery terminal is here. Washer fluid there. BMW's only like regular washer fluid, some strut bars on each side, and we also have 2 latches underneath the BMW hood, so if I put the fingers on the rondelle, literally just send her down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I did want to do one more lap all the way around. White on black, you really can't go wrong, and white is a no charge paint option, so that's always good. And with the red calipers, really pops. So that looks pretty awesome. So how do you like this spec? How do you like the changes for 2026? Let me know in the comments below. All All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 xDrive in Alpine White with the black Veganza interior. How do you like it? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.